でも残念。私との相性最悪だよ。
Seven little shots can't be right. Call my brother, he in prison doing time, but we alright. Cut my best just to catch a fucking smile, but for now I see myself ain't hitting the 35. Been awake for days, so we out living life in the night. Been awake for days, so we out living life in the night.
I'll be grinding out the diamond OG. I'll light up the joint, I'm tryna OT like, oh, that's that shit I like. Kinda bugging off the mid, bitch, you alright? Now why y'all worry about the fuck I do? I'ma let y'all know when the fuck I'm through. You know what you're doing, so keep on moving, got on. It's like,
всех случаев, просто понимай, на высоту сам себя поднимай, свою пустоту, но не заполняй, не заполняй.
ポジショントークで気持ちよくなってんじゃねえよ。サトル、時間だよ。
So I guess this is it for me. Oh, what the hell? Domain expansion! Chimera Shadow Body!
Said it's dangerous to go alone and you need to take it seriously.
Except you never said it was dangerous to go alone.
Wait, I didn't?
And dude, what have you been eating that lets you punch through a wall with your bare hand?
It wasn't reinforced concrete.
So? Most people couldn't punch through that.
You really don't think so?
I came in with a new friend. I fuck when you pick me down on the milli. I'm with my boys and we do not miss it. Funny money, no, this is not no silly guap. Rich a milli, it's not a silly. All this money make me want my titty. Tell her at the bank of this.
Is his raw strength superhuman? His initial blow has very little cursed energy to it, but it reaches 120% of an average sorcerer's power. Then the real glow of cursed energy flows in. It must be unimaginably unpleasant for those struck by it. He has room to grow, too. If he can learn to imbue 100% of his cursed energy into 100% of his martial arts. Now I see why Gojo brought him to me.
I don't hesitate.
We kind of on your top. You know what you're doing, so keep on moving. Got on it. It's like you get mad at you the clown guy, you can drink. You always say
I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear?
There is not a single Jujutsu sorcerer who could use Black Flash at will. However,
Let's go. In this state of extreme focus, it is the ultimate domain, open only to the chosen few.
This guy is really that famous?
Ryomen Suguna is an imaginary fierce god with 4 arms and 2 faces. But he once existed as an actual human being, although it was over 1,000 years ago. In the golden age of Jujutsu, sorcerers gathered all their might to challenge him, and failed. Crowned with the title of Suguna, we couldn't even destroy his grave wax as he traversed the ages after death as a cursed object. Without a doubt, he is the king of curses.
That's all.